There's a little rubber tip at the end of the zipper, and so it makes a little sound. Now you're on camera. Now it's a little shy, a little something different. Hi, I'm filming you to. Hopefully, it won't be too long to email to your dad since we're having trouble posting to mobile me. Whoa! And you were making the cutest little scratch, 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 scratch noise when you were working your teeth on the little chewy part of the zipper. Alright, we really should get up and make some mom food. But, but this little inchworm crawl to be close to me was pretty cute too. Oh! So I can stop. And if you do tongue stuff, I can't stop filming you either. Alright. Okay. Ah, she swiped a hand across. I think she did. What? Ah! Being attacked by a baby. Okay. We've hit the 2-minute mark. We're gonna sign off. Oh! No, not in your mouth. No, it doesn't go to the mouth. No, no. Here, here. Oh, and I can't flip it when it's... Well, alright. Okay.